So this is kind of part two to the last video because of how long the storm was. So once again, let's get right into the video. So right now we have a pretty bad rainstorm. It's been raining nonstop since Friday night, and it's Monday. As you can see, pool cover's flooded, which there was no water on it at all before the storm hit. And backyard's flooded. Probably had more than 5 inches of rain over the last 3 days. There's also some tree branches down from the wind. And I think there's going to be another update sometime tomorrow or Wednesday, because it's not supposed to stop raining until Wednesday night. And that's pretty much all I have to say. So right now, it's still raining out, but it's not raining as hard as it was. At one point, it actually stopped raining for a little while. You can see the clouds up there. It's going to start raining again. Heavy rain again tomorrow. So I guess keep another update then. And that's all I have to say for now. So it's day 5 of the storm, and right now it's misting. Ground's still wet. Geese flying over there. Also still pretty windy. Probably another update coming later, so stay tuned for that. So the storm seems to nearly be over. It's still a little wet. After it's been raining, it's Friday. Right now it's just cloudy. Over the last several days, a bunch of tree branches came down. A lot of leaves fell. And about 8 inches of rain fell in the last 5 or 6 days. See the pool covers. Soaked in water. More tree branches over there. Probably be another video later today or tomorrow for the end of the storm. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So the sky looks almost the same as it did when the storm first started. greenish yellow right now. And I have a feeling it's gonna be another red sky. And I think it's starting to rain again. But if there is another red sky, then I'll give you another update. But that's all for now. Alright, so right now the storm's over. And apparently now the area is covered in gnats. Which I'm guessing is a side effect of the storm. There's tree branches everywhere. The leaves everywhere that weren't there before. And I saw some things knocked down. Over here, it's flooded. Liverpool cover's flooded. Because I found out we had 10 inches of rain. And the storm also lasted an entire week. Because this video's a week after the first few videos I made for Tropical Storm Ian. And I guess it's gonna be it for the video. This is either gonna be 2 or 3 parts, probably 2. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.